Michael,
Yeah.
you have two choices. You can have one epic unboxing knife or this epic unboxing knife because it's an epic unboxing. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. We are unboxing PAMP 10-ounce silver bars.
We are.
Yeah. Now here's a question.
Yeah.
I don't think we've had these before.
Not brand new, I don't believe.
No.
Possibly second handies.
Yes, I've definitely had them in buybacks.
Yeah.
But never as the brand new thing.
Printed.
Yeah. Oh, you went with the more sophisticated, smaller one.
I went for the smaller knife on this one just because I wasn't sure what was inside.
Fair enough.
I would have been right with the bigger one because they are encased. I just wasn't 100% sure.
Fair enough.
I didn't want to cut through anything, and they still weigh.
Absolute ton.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're still flipping heavy to get out of a box.
Of course, the usual PAMP box.
Yeah.
If you've never seen a PAMP box before, that's what it looks like. I'll link above to our...
Use the big knife.
Oh, I see. Mixing it up.
Mixing it up.
I'll put a link above to our epic unboxing of a PAMP
This
kilo.
one might need a bit of a sharpen. I think we might change those back.
Alrighty.
So I can get in to sharpen that one.
So beautifully sealed, of course, from PAMP. All right, I'll take a step back. There we go. All right, good. Your infamous knife skills.
Knife skills. Distant relative of Zorro.
Okay. Hang on, these are PAMP 10-ounce cast bars. I thought these were minted bars, and I thought when they came in the box, I'm like, that's kind of weird.
Oh, actually...
I've never seen these before. These are PAMP cast bars in 10-ounce size.
Yeah, I'll blow it. We're going to have one shop stock.
Okay.
So we'll handle that one.
Oh, that is so cool.
And they are serialised.
Oh, this is spectacular.
And
I'm
pretty sure this is the month and year that they were manufactured.
Oh, very cool. So September
Yeah.
of this year. Oh, I am really, really pleased because I just thought we'd be doing a minted bar unboxing, which I've seen before and I've held them before. Of course, I've never seen these. These are, they look like, there's like mini kilos.
They do. They look very similar to mini kilos.
Yeah, they're
and
really
they come
cool.
with, I've probably got the wrong one on top because it'd be too easy if it was the right one.
Yeah.
But yeah, they all come with, you can see there's a whole mitt full of them there.
Yep.
They come with certificate of authenticity as well.
That is fantastic. Oh, great. Just pick that up for me once more if you don't mind.
Yeah.
These are just really cool. I'm going to...
Beautiful frosted finish on them.
that's right.
Even the back, it's got that nice little, what do you call that, pimply look?
Sure, let's go with that. That's just... And give us a look at the thickness there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
They look like PAMP kilo bars that got caught in the rain.
They literally look like mini PAMP kilos. Oh, that's just spectacular.
Well, did you ever do those chip packets in the oven and shrink them down?
I did not do that.
Oh, there you go.
You used to do that as a kid?
Oh, yeah, like we're talking 100 years ago.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but
very cool.
They are now in stock and grabbable. We do have a number of them. There was 8 boxes of them turned up, and there's, 50 in a box or something?
Okay.
So we've got quite a few, but
wow,
I can't guarantee how frequently we'll be able to order them back in. So
sure.
And Perth Mint haven't produced a 10-ounce bar for... I reckon it'd be 12 months, but I reckon it's actually longer than that.
Has it been that long?
And they haven't got any on the production schedule that I'm aware of.
Ouch.
Obviously, I can't speak for Perth Mint.
Yep.
So if you're after the premium brand 10 ounce in the silver,
yep.
Grab it while you can.
This is it, yeah. And look, we say it every time, grab it while you can, but it really is that way at the moment.
Well,
and it's probably going to stay that way for quite some time.
A la 1 kilo completers.
No idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, well, no one does because they were on the website for all of about 5 minutes.
Yeah. All right. Your 10-ounce PAMP cast silver bar. I am really chuffed to see these. Again, they look like mini kilo bars. They are really, really cool. You're going to want at least one
Yeah,
in
absolutely.
your stack, for sure. I'm going to grab one myself with the old... friends and family discount that I don't get. No, just kidding, I do. Yeah, we're all taken care of here at Bullion Now. Speaking of Bullion Now, head over to bullionnow.com.au, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Get buying the PAMP 10-ounce silver cast bar. And
Absolutely.
as always, that's it from me.
And me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.